It's Michelle. I'm walking onto Loudermilk Park to see what the beach looks like. You know, I can't drive into the parking area there, so I had to park down there a little bit and walk over. So I can see definitely what Hurricane Ian has done to this area. As you can see, across the street over here. See what it's done to the beach.
It looks like the whole thing.
Yeah. Oh wow. Volleyball court over there, but you can't see it because you're seeing me. You see it over there. There you go. Here I go again, walking onto Loudermilk Beach down here in South Naples. All the structures are damaged. That was an informational boat, and also places where, you know, they had souvenirs. Over there you see the building, had a little bathroom there. There's bathroom. Restaurant, not a restaurant, there's a bathroom. I think there's a cafeteria over there. So this is what it looks like after Hurricane Ian. If you notice over there, a little park over there for the little ones, little play area. And
in 500 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
I did arrive at my destination. Hold on, let me stop you. Here, Google. Anyways, back to what I was saying here. This is what Loudermilk Park looks like. The beach is still white and sandy, mostly cleaned up. A lot of sand positioned here as I walk along the broad walk here. Heading on to Loudermilk. It's really rough the waves because, you know, Hurricane Nicole kind of didn't really come over to Naples, but we did have a little rain and rough weather, not rough weather, I would say, the rough waters, as you see here. So, not many people on the beach. There's a few people hanging out there and there. Not much people on the beach. It's really heavy waves here. Look at that little tiki that used to be. I took a photo down there when I came the last time and walked on that ramp over there. I remember it. But I can definitely see that Collier County has been on here cleaning up so far and did the best they can so far. I know that they're going to continue the cleanup. Look at those waves. I would never go in that water. No, it's dark, it's dirty, the water has lots of stuff in it. Because, you know, Nicole still came through Florida, really did some really bad damage to Daytona Beach. Oh my God. Houses were being swept away into the water. Sad sight, I'm telling you. But look here, Naples. If I go, so I zoom all the way down there, I can still see the Naples Pier a little ways down there. These are the buildings on the beach, the high rise. That's the Loudermilk building for the park. Down there, north, all the way up to this area. One hold over there and see. It's just rough. See, nobody can swim in this. It's dark, it's dirty. But the sand is still white. Look at it. It's so white. Beautiful. but it's not necessarily clean. I wouldn't even take up a shower right now because there could be stuff on it. Oh, look at this. But I'm not gonna take it out. I'm tempted. Not today. I have lots to show you. Just wanted to see what the beach looks like. If that's what they're trying to do. But the beach looks great. It's just not a place to be right now, just be swimming in the water. No, 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 no. But, you know, even for surfers, you don't want to go in that water. It has so much stuff in it. Seaweeds, dirt, just debris from all this hurricane. And Hurricane Nicole just ravaged Daytona yesterday. So, yeah. Enjoying your suntan?
What?
Enjoying your suntan?
Sunset?
Tan. You're getting a nice tan.
Oh,
Of
yeah.
course. That's what I mean. Are you from Florida?
I need it.
Are you from here?
Yeah, we love it. Where are you from?
Right here. Been here 10 years.
I already know.
Huh?
I've been our whole lives.
What's
Yeah.
that? Oh, you're born here.
Yeah, I was born in Chicago, but here very little, very little.
Like so?
Like very, like baby. Like,
Oh, so enjoy the day.
Floridian.
So you are. If you came here like this, yes, you're a Floridian. Super. So take care and stay safe, okay?
You too, girl.
I'm just doing my thing here.
Have the best day ever.
Thank you. Bye.
We love you.
Love you too. Bye. Yeah, they're just having a fun day. I'm just out here seeing what's going on and showing you what's happening. Yep. Doing my little thing here. I can see these houses are still standing. That's a good thing. They have their hurricane shutters on them, most of them. Because, you know, there are lots of absentee owners. So, ooh, look at that structure right there. That staircase looks compromised, definitely. The base underneath is washed away. But the good thing is the building is still standing. There may be some structural issues going on right there. Right there. Maybe some structural issues. Wow. You can see definitely that. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's not a good thing. Jeez. The water just ate away all of that right there. Jeez. You can see that the sand was just torn up and all kind of stuff happened here. Lots of water was right here. Wow. I remember walking along here with these stones right here last time I came down. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Just look what it did to that area of that building right there. I'm telling you. This Hurricane Ian did it. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Oh my goodness. Those who are absentee owners are just wondering what's going on in my building. I know you get updates from your property managers, but I can show you the views and the seas and what's going on. Whoops, sinking in the sand here. Hello. Hope you get a nice tan today. Oh, the pool area in this back of this building here is just ravaged and it just needs to be redone. As you see the crane there, that's doing its job. I don't know if I can get past here because I'm not going to put my sneakers in this water and I can't just clean up. Let me see. I don't want to bring this back into my car. See down there, the beach is being cleaned up. Still working on it. I'm telling you, they're doing a fabulous job here in Naples, Florida. Okay, that's what I'm happy for. So I'm gonna leave it here with you today, Loudermilk Park, here in Naples, Florida. I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful, blessed, beautiful day. MichelleBJournal come to you again from beautiful, beautiful Naples, Florida. Thursday, November 11, 2022. So it's time for Thanksgiving. It's not time for swimming. Definitely not. Well, I can say that I have another pair of shoes in the car, so I could take these off because they have a lot of sand stuff at the bottom. I can put it in the bag. I do have a bag actually. Put it in the bag until I get home. And then I always bring a pair of driving shoes under, stays in the car, underneath my my seat. There's space enough to put it under there, so I just keep it under there. You know, yes I do. Rough waters continue here on the beach, the Gulf of Mexico beach here in Naples. Yep. The day after Nicole, it really hit the west coast here. We just got a few showers of rain, but the east coast got most of the rain from Nicole. From Port St. Lucie got it. Some of it. Daytona got the worst of it, I tell you. The worst. Really bad. Palm Beach. You know, going up the east coast. They got their fair share. Fort Pierce, they got most of it too in Daytona.